Hi, this is Brian with Mr. Rooter Plumbing doing a sewer scope at 1575 Northwest 131st Avenue in Portland 97229. Point of access is a 4-inch cast iron roof vent. We're going to be checking the serviceability of the sewer line from the point of access out to the city sewer main. Got some cobwebs here. Offset vent line, so this might be a little difficult to get through this. We're going to go ahead and give it a shot. I'm going to clean the cobwebs off the lens of the camera. Let's see if we can get through these magnets. Like we're at the bottom here. We're going to zero the meter out, and we're just going to see if we can get out to at least outside the house. I believe there should be a pin out. We have a kitchen sink running inside the home. So it looked like we transitioned to asbestos pipe. So we're going to pause and locate this point. Okay, so we did locate the clean out. It's covered with a bush. Cap is not able to get that off. I don't have a replacement cap. So we're going to see how far we can get out. So this looks to be asbestos pipe. Going to try to get this out as far as we go, and then we'll slowly pull the camera back after we put the water out. So here at 52 feet from the bottom of the access point is the city main. We're going to pause and locate. Okay, so we're going to start pulling the camera back. Located this a couple feet off the curb line at roughly 14 feet deep. So the dishwasher is going, so we might get some surges of some water. But I did shut the sink off. So a lot of times on these asbestos lines, you get the gasket that's pushing into the connection point. They never push them in all the way, because if they were, it would chip the pipe. So this is what's going on right now. The gasket is being pushed into the pipe, which is very common. You can take a little closer look. Usually, so you can see the gasket in the lower left-hand corner there. Looking at the upper left-hand corner to look like, those look like worm castings. Doesn't look like roots are coming in. So keep in mind this is 4-inch asbestos pipe. Okay, so it looks like we have possibly an offset or a separation here. That is looks to be a wipe on the lower left hand corner. There's the gasket. Same thing on this joint, looks to be just worm castings coming in. We got some roots coming in the upper right hand corner right there. It's very hard to tell if they're roots or if it's worm castings. A lot of companies will call that soil intrusions. It's not soil intrusions. It's worm castings, like I've said. Seeing the same looking deal on this joint here. Just a couple blobs on the 10, 11 o'clock and the 1 to 2 o'clock area. These are spicketed ends. They're double gasketed couplings that connect them, so like I said, you'll commonly see one gasket, so there's a second gasket that seals the pipe as well. So a cobweb on the top, pipe there. Transitioning back to cast iron pipe. So I think there is an offset right here, right at the clean out, right outside. So I'd recommend a repair right there. As you can see, it's causing some pooling, which is damming up the water. Toilet paper debris. Connection point there, tie-in, transitioning to ABS, and we're coming up to drop. Okay, so that does conclude the sewer scope. We're going to fail the sewer scope inspection due to the offset in the pipe. Recommend a repair. During that time of the repair, we would do a jetting of the line to reevaluate those joints in the pipe where it looks to be worm castings. And so once that's jetted, we'll reevaluate it and see what we got going on. But I don't think there's any other issues downstream from the offset. Thank you.